Good morning student, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we discuss the next topic of chapter number 6, power and function of Indian Parliament. In India, Union Legislature is called Parliament and Indian Parliament is the combination of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. Indian Parliament have many power. First power is legislative power, second is amendment power, third is financial power, fourth is administrative power, or this power is also known as executive power, and power related with the election. The member of parliament participate in the election of president and vice president. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha also have miscellaneous power, or these power divided into two parts, emergency power and impeachment power. Now we discuss the first power of parliament, legislative power. You already know about the legislative is the first organ of government and the main function of legislative is formation of law. So parliament is the highest law making body of our country. Second, formation of law is the main function of parliament, and the parliament has power to form law on the subject mentioned in union list, concurrent list and residual subject. In India, the work of governments divided into three lists: union list, concurrent list and state list. Residual subject are those subjects which are included after the independence of India and after the formation of our Indian constitution. And in some cases, parliament can also form law subject mention of state list. For the example, during the period of emergency, parliament has power to form law subject of state list. Now the next power of parliament is amendment power. Amendment means change करना, संशोधन करना या परिवर्तन करना. Parliament is the highest law making body of our country. So parliament has sole right to change and amend and making amendment in the Indian constitution. A bill regarding amendment firstly presented in parliament, only presented in parliament. This bill not present in our state legislative assembly. Amendment by the student. Next power of parliament is amendment. Amendment means change, parivartan, sansodhan, alter. So parliament has right to change, alter and making amendment in constitutions. A bill regarding to amendment firstly presented in parliament, only presented in parliament but not in state legislature. The Indian constitution can be amendment through three ways. भारत का संविधान है वो थ्री वेज के द्वारा अमेंडमेंट होता है. अमेंडमेंट बाय सिंपल मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. सिंपल मेजॉरिटी मीन्स द हाफ नंबर ऑफ, फॉर एग्जांपल इन पार्लियामेंट मीटिंग देयर 100 members are participate. So the simple majority means the 51 people, if both say yes, then the amendment is completed. Amendment by special majority of parliament, it's required 2/3 majority of parliament. And some provision of Indian constitution, amendment by special majority of parliament along with the approval of half of the state legislature. Again we discuss the amendment power of parliament. Parliament has right to amend, change, alter and making amendment in the constitution. A bill regarding to amendment only presented in parliament, not in state legislative assembly. Indian constitution amendment through the three ways: simple majority, special majority, special majority of parliament along with the approval half of the state legislature. The next power of parliament is financial parliament. In India, all the financial function control, manage and administered by Indian parliament. Parliament can also control our national wealth. A finance minister firstly presented annual budget in Lok Sabha. In India, all finance bill, money bill and income and expenditure bill firstly presented in Lok Sabha, then they pass out in Rajya Sabha. Parliament can also decide our income and expenditure function of our country. So the main financial function of parliament control all financial function. Parliament can also control our national land. Parliament can also decide the income and expenditure of a function of our country. And finance minister annual budget firstly presented in Lok Sabha. The next power of parliament is administrative power executive power. This power related with the parliament. According to Indian constitution, the national executive union executive is responsible toward the parliament, especially Lok Sabha. The member of Lok Sabha can control our government through 4 or 5 ways. First, they ask the question. Second, they ask the supplementary. Supplementary मतलब होता है पूरक प्रश्न पूछकर. Third, adjournment motion. Adjournment means काम रोको प्रस्ताव. Fourth, discussion. And fifth, debate. Again, I recite the parliament can control union executive and national executive, our government, by asking question, by asking supplementary question, through adjournment motion, through debate and through discussion. Now next power of parliament is election. The member of parliament participate in the election of president and the election of vice president. In the election of president, state member of state also participate, but in the president of vice president, only the house of both house member of participate. फिर next power है miscellaneous power. This power of parliament divided into two parts. Impeachment power. This power the member of parliament use to remove the president from his post. They also used to remove the judges of High Court and Supreme Court. Again I recite, member of both the House of Parliament can remove president from his office by the impeachment motion. Member of both the House of Parliament can also remove the judges of High Court and judges of Supreme Court with the help of impeachment motion. But this motion should be required 2/3 majority of both the House of Indian Parliament. The next power of Parliament is emergency power. If President want to impose emergency more than one month, then he required the permission of both the House. Again, this permission passed by the special majority of both the House of Parliament. Student, in this video we discuss the major power and function of Parliament. The first power is legislative power. Through this, student, in this video you get the knowledge of power and function of Parliament. Indian Parliament means in India union legislature is called Parliament, and Parliament is the combination of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. Indian Parliament have many power: legislative power, executive power, financial power, emergency power, miscellaneous power, election power. Let us discuss the major power. For example, legislature. The main function of Parliament is formation of law, or Parliament can form law subject mentioned in state list, concurrent list and union list. Parliament have also administrative executive power. Parliament can also control our national executive through 4 types: by asking question, by asking supplementary question, through adjournment motion, through debate and through discussion. The member of Parliament can also participate in the election of president and vice president. If president want to increase the emergency more than 1 month, he also required the permission of Parliament. And the member of Parliament can also remove president, judges of Supreme Court, judges of High Court through impeachment motion. Or Parliament has sole right to change under in the amendment in the Indian Constitution. Thank you, student.